Hey, guys. It is time for another episode of Therapy Thursday. I am so sorry we are late. Sometimes things happen, little technical difficulties, little technical glitches, but we got our situation under control here. This is when you gotta, deploy that 4-7-8 breathing and just take your time and just, work through the process, man. So tonight is a special Therapy Thursday. I'm your host, Dr. Delvena Thomas, a board certified psychiatrist in South Florida. On Therapy Thursdays, I like to talk about different topics about the brain. And everything falls under the umbrella of the brain, including relationships and sex therapy. We can never, ever leave that hanging out there. Tonight, I have a very special topic. I'm talking about the health benefits of sex toys. I know when you saw me post this, you thought, oh, there goes Dr. Delvena again with her old wild antics talking about sex all the time in relationships. Listen, you will live happier and longer if you are able to manage and just talk freely about relationships, love, lust, and sex, man. I promise you. So listen, sex toys are not just about having fun in the bedroom, but also can be helpful in the treatment of menopausal symptoms like vaginal atrophy. That's when women get older, certain changes take place in our vaginas. Sometimes, the vagina gets a little drier throughout the day and it can shrink a little bit and get tight. So besides surgical interventions, there are other things you can do, like using some of these toys that you'll see tonight to help stretch those tissues. And also you'll hear about some different lubricants that you can use as well to help in the process of prepping your vulva, your vaginal area, so that you can enjoy sexual pleasures and not have to worry about pain and not be embarrassed to talk to your partner about it. I think that's a thing that happens a lot of times. People are embarrassed to talk to their partners about the challenges in the bedroom. It goes for men and it goes for women too. So before I go any further, I got to introduce my guest host tonight. Dr. Michael Blackson is joining me, y'all. So, hey, Mr. Blackson, Dr. Blackson, how are you tonight? Let me unmute you, Dr. Blackson. I can tell yes, Dr. Blackson. You got to unmute yourself. There we go.
Hey,
Dr. Blackson.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm great, thank you. How's everything out there in LA?
Nah, LA is great, man. We have nice weather. It's pretty nice. It's like probably 60s. See, I'm wearing. I had my balcony doors open earlier, for the fresh air to come in. So I mean, can't complain.
Yeah.
It's not Africa hot, but it's good enough. It's like spring weather out here. So, how's everything going?
Yeah, good.
Are you in a library
It's
or
cool
are you in
here.
a doctor's?
So,
I'm looking at the background. What's going on
I'm in
back
my
there? Oh, okay. I see a lot. Have you read all those books?
Yes, I did. And half of them are sex and relationship books.
Well, that's one of my specialties. I don't read books. I just, all my stuff, all my stuff is acting in real life. I don't read no books about anything. All my real life experiments.
Well, I'm going to see you tonight with this real life experiment. We're talking sex toys tonight, remember? So are you ready to talk about the sex toys?
Yes. I mean, I'm not a big fan of sex toys, because I guess for women it needs those. Sometimes women want to come in the room with sex toys, and I remember one time I was about to get with this girl, and she's like, "Okay, I'm ready to come over. Should I bring some toys?" I'm like, "Toys, bitch! I got all the toys we need right here." But I guess toys are necessary for a lot of women, and so I mean, yeah, let's talk about it.
All right. Well, so let me ask you, what is your, I guess, disinterest in sex toys? Do you feel like you can handle everything on your own? Is that why you don't have an interest?
Yeah, I mean, between my two hands and my mouth and my dick, I think I could, pretty much I think there's a lot of things going on between her and this. I mean, I'm not. Some women probably, but that's my only thing. As far as like, if I'm having sex or whatever, I don't want a toy involved. I feel like, is in a way, but it's good for women by herself. If other men prefer toys, I don't. I just like human interaction. No dildos and butt plugs hanging around us.
Well, we're going to try to change your mind tonight. Yeah, I think you're having a party out there in LA. We have two guests. I have Pure Romance and Bedroom Kandi. They're going to help us tonight in getting you up on the sex toys so that you have a better understanding, Dr. Blackson, of what you should be teaching your patients in the office. I've seen some of your videos with your patients, so I'm a little concerned that maybe, your patients are missing out on a few things. So please welcome first.
Hello.
Yes.
Hi.
And there we go. So let's see, guys, are we ready to start this conversation? We're having a sex toys versus. All right. So, you guys heard me. You heard my introduction about what's happening out here. Toys are not just for fun in the bedroom, but sometimes they carry very significant value for women who may have some difficulties or some challenges. But let's have fun with it so we can introduce. So, Bedroom Tishima.
Hi, Dr. Delvena. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you.
Awesome. So my name is Tishima. I'm an independent consultant for Bedroom Kandi by Kandi Burris, songstress, entrepreneur, mogul. So I just come to give you some information on some of our favorite products, and hopefully, we can change Dr. Blackson's opinion or his mind on toys in the bedroom. So tonight I'm going to start off with one of our more popular toys. It's called our Helping Hand. And this is a male masturbation sleeve, right? So what this does is that this must go on an erect penis. And what you want to do is with the lubricant, you want to put it on the penis. It does stretch. A lot of guys say, I can't fit in that, but It does stretch.
That goes over the penis?
So it goes over the penis. So when you're giving oral sex, or if he wants to masturbate, it gives a suction feeling. So the movie Girls Trip, was it Girls Trip? The grapefruit?
Yeah. Girls Trip.
The grapefruit. So this is similar to the grapefruit. So it gives a suction, it squeezes on the penis. So while you are performing fellatio, or if he's by himself, and
oh wow! So that's for him. For some reason I thought that was for us. That's for
no, this is for him. So you can use it for you also, or he can use it alone. It can be used with couples or solo play. And this is also made with body safe silicone, but you want to make sure that the penis is erect, and you also want to make sure you add a lubricant with it so that he's getting that nice wet, that walk.
That's a thick ass condom.
So show us again. Take it off.
Okay, it stretches. So size, if he's a
how
what you
small
want to
is that hole?
Is use the lubricant. You're gonna put some of the lubricant inside so it will slide on easily. And then he's gonna insert his penis inside of the sleeve. And it's a lot easier on skin. Sorry. And then, so it goes like that. And then that's that.
Mike, are you willing to try this, Mike?
This is a helping hand. So it's giving you a helping hand. So you're not doing all the work with your mouth. the sleeve is actually helping you.
Okay. Romance, what you got? Do you have something similar?
I do. And ours is called Get a Grip. So with the get a grip, a lot like what Tishima has already said and demonstrated. Thank you, Tishima. Same deal. It's a whole insert, and like she said, you would think, because we have King Kong, so it actually does stretch. It opens both ends. Masturbation, yes. Couple play, yes. The difference with ours is, I don't know if you can really see, but it's a smooth side, and with ours you can actually flip it in reverse.
Like
So
a
this
two-sided
actually is the
jacket.
smoother, it's the smoother side, but the difference is when you switch and you flip it, the ridge side gives a more feel for the inside of us.
Can I put in her pussy while it's on my dick?
Okay. and then also with ours, you want to have a lubricant. Ours is called Just Like Me. We have this is mine's is a sugar glazed donut. We have one that's non-flavored, but with the sugar glaze, it gives a flavor. So when you're giving or she's giving you your oral pleasure, you can actually put this on the shaft. She's giving you your oral pleasure, right? And then you actually can take the tip and close it. So right before the man climaxes, it will catch everything for you. So that is the difference here with our get a grip.
So you're the only guy here, Mr. Blackson. Do you think that men would want you to catch the ejaculate when you come when you're using that? Do you think the guy wants you to catch it in that sock thing, or should you let it flow into your mouth? Like, what would most guys vote for?
Well, it depends how you feel about the woman. We talking about whether she swallow it or whether it falls on the floor. Yeah.
Yeah.
It depends. It depends. I mean, I don't want my woman swallowing anything. I don't want to swallow. I don't want her to swallow my children.
And Dr. Delvena, I actually left out a very important thing with using this as well, because it is multi-use. This can help as a barrier for anal play. So say if she, I'm not about that life, I don't know, you actually can use this as a barrier to put the tip and help with that anal play. And we have products like Booty Ease and things like that to help with her comfort, to kind of ease it in and make it a smoother process.
Sounds painful.
So is that on the penis during the anal play, or that
Yes,
is?
Yes, everything. The lubricant, or like I said, we have a Booty Ease that's actually just for anal play, and you would still insert it on the inside, and you can also put it on the tip of his penis. And if you want, you could take like a pea size, put it back there to help. The wetter, the better.
Yes. Lubrication is very important with sex toys. A lot of people don't, they think they got that WAP, but we know as we get older, women, we have, issues like you mentioned earlier, Dr. Delvena, with our wetness, and we might not get as wet. So lubricant is your best friend whenever you're using any type of toy. You want to make sure that you are lubricating and communicating.
Okay. So what type of lubricant does Bedroom Kandi have available?
So right now tonight, what I'm showcasing is our delicious encounter. This is our flavored lube, and this one is in the strawberry pomegranate flavor. It also comes in chocolate, green apple, and tangerine. It's sugar free, so it is edible. It's a edible lubricant. Water-based lubricant, whenever you're using toys, silicone-based toys, you want to make sure you're using a water-based lubricant. That's very important. You want to use a silicone lubricant on silicone toys because you will destroy your toys. So this one is one of our more popular. It's 100% vegan friendly, hypoallergenic. So if you have any allergies, this one is 100% vegan friendly, latex, rubber friendly, and body safe
Okay.
flavor.
You just answered someone's question. They asked if they're hypoallergenic, and you said yes. That is
Yes, they are. Our products are hypoallergenic. Yes.
okay. All right. So, Tishima, you took the floor first. Shonte, what do you have next?
Next I have the opening act, and it is for her. And with our opening act, it actually comes the USB, so we don't have to worry about the batteries. Don't even worry about it. As long as we can plug it up, we're good to go. And with this one, it's a power button. I hope you guys can see it. But there's a power button, and this bad boy has 30 speeds.
It has
So 30 speeds, 30 different speeds.
30 speeds.
So
Turn it on.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And you probably can't really hear it to hear the different vibrations, but it's 30 different ones. So I mean, if you want to pull this out and have a different speed for every day of the week, you cover for the whole month with 30 different speeds. Okay. It depends on how you want to do it. But yes, it has 30 different speeds, ma'am.
What's the name of that one again?
This one is called the opening act.
The opening act.
The opening act,
Yeah.
okay. Where's the headliner?
And it also, I mean, it's multi-purpose. So actually, not only for during sex, but say tired long day, cramping in the shoulder, you actually can turn this on and it hits, you know, your shoulder, your back, any of those pressure points. So this one, like I said, is really good. I want to make sure I don't leave anything out. USB charge, 30 different speeds. What else do we have for this one? It's bath friendly, but you don't want to submerge. So you know you can have it for the tub, but you don't want to submerge into the water. Clitoral stimulation. So back to the anal play. If we're into anal play, things like that. If he would like to come around on the front side, clitoral stimulation. Nipple stimulation is also good for that. And actually, if you're given oral pleasure and you want to turn the vibrator on, you actually can put it against your chin and have vibration with your chin as you're giving oral play. Mix it all in together, put to get a grip with the man with the vibration on the chin and see if he can hang.
Wow, that's a lot of tricks, Shonte.
Yes.
So instead of choking her, you just put the blue dick on her throat. Okay. Well, you know, I mean, I'm 100% fan of lubrication. I mean, it's, like you said, when they're younger, they got the WAP, and I guess they get older, there's a DAP, that's dry as pussy, right? DAP.
We might just need a little assistance,
Just a little
a
bit.
little help.
If you have the DAP, then you get the little assistant, which is nothing wrong with that. Because sometimes you about to have sex with a girl, and you put it in, she does all. It's so unattractive to me.
When she does what?
When she like spit in her hands and put in her. I'm like, I just about to
No, we don't want no spit.
Okay.
No.
Let's keep it
I
clean.
mean, it's like right before you. It's porn sex. You said. I was like, right before you about to shove it in, and she. I'm like, it just. So the lubrication prior, I think she should already have that in her already. If she has the DAP, that's the dry ass pussy. Once again, it'd be like a wild.
The DAP.
The DAPs.
Well, you make a good point.
Some women got a DAP. I mean, I think what causes the dab a lot of time is I'm not sure. People, you said old age. I'm a doctor, but I got my degree from DeVry, so don't I can't write prescriptions. I can read them to you.
So check this out.
Huh?
Oops, sorry, not that one. Someone just mentioned this on Facebook. Dolls are definitely the way to go. No stress on the chest man. What do you guys think about using dolls instead of a person and just introducing toys?
I
You
say
know
if
what?
you and your partner are comfortable with that, go for it. Just takes a lot of communication. Make sure everybody on the same page.
Right.
Yeah. Different strokes for different folks. No judgment. What you like might not be my thing. What I like might not be your thing. But if you and your partner can come to some type of mutual understanding and it works for you, hey, have fun.
I'm not fucking no goddamn dog baby, okay? I'm a grown ass man, okay? I'm fucking another human being, okay? Look at that guy's picture. He should be fucking a dog. By looking at his picture, you can tell he gonna fuck a plastic. Is that his girlfriend right there next to him? Is that his little plastic girlfriend?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Look at his face.
Well, at least with a dog, you don't
He
have to
look
worry
like
about STDs.
he looks like yeah, you're gonna catch plastic, whatever it's called.
And so
Rubber duck dick, whatever. But now he's another guy. Okay, he look like he should be also have a plastic woman. I'm not fucking no plastic woman. But you know what it is? I remember prior to me when it was harder for me to get a girl. I mean, during my broke era or era where maybe I wasn't as cute. I'm a little cute now, I think, by the grace of God. But I remember back in the day, at 21 years old, where you are like at your horniest as a man. I mean, I think I thought about like a rubber coochie. We all think every man has thought about buying one. I thought about buying one, but what like? I don't know about all that much. But I've seen, we have magazines where you like buy fake vagina. I thought about doing that, but as I got older, you know, I think I want a real human being, no plastic dog. That guy looks like Drake's daddy. Did you see that? Can you see his picture again? Put Drake Daddy back on the phone. But yeah, Drake Daddy, you like Drake's daddy, don't you? But what's Dennis? That's the big guy. Dang, that's his dog. Is that his dog baby next to him? His little dog sex toy? Yeah, I don't think that's a person. I think he's a person. I don't think that. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is.
whoops, sorry. What's the price?
I don't know. I mean, are y'all ladies selling sex dolls?
No.
No sex dolls on tonight?
No.
Not tonight.
I mean, I've seen videos. I mean, they're making those things look so real. I mean, I can't mock it. I probably got to give it to really get to see one, you know. I mean, at least you don't get a period. I don't know what to say about what's the positive point about.
Can't get an STD.
Can't get STD either, right?
Yeah.
Well, unless you burn it and you nut it, how they fucking you burn your own dick back, right?
Okay.
Oh my God.
Well, Michael, he says he has 4 and they're better than women.
They don't talk back.
What?
He has 4.
Is any of them pregnant?
No smell either.
That's what you said, no smell? Oh my goodness, seriously?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a problem. You're getting the wrong women. Tell your woman to like take care of herself.
Well,
I agree.
so the next thing, moving on, let's move on to the next toy. And as I post this comment, which is very true from Mr. Pitts, older men and women know how to stimulate better, is what he says. So I don't know if he's saying that in response to us talking about the lubricant, and he's saying that when you're stimulated, the woman is more lubricated naturally, or she has that WAP. I'm not sure if that's what he's trying to say, but yes, as we get older and we're more mature, Mr. Pitts, we do learn different trades, different ways to satisfy and pleasure one another. And we learn to be mature and talk about it and ask questions about what someone likes and what they dislike.
Correct.
Yes. So, all right. You're up, Miss Tishima. What do you got?
All right. So the next product that I'll be demonstrating is our Kandi Kisses. It is our discreet lipstick vibe. So it looks like a lipstick, but it's not. This one has 7 preset vibrations. So like Shonte said, all of our products are come with a USB rechargeable battery and a 1-year warranty. So this one is very discreet. You're going to turn it on. There's a little button on the bottom, and then you can cycle through the different, I don't know if you can hear it. You can cycle through the different vibrations. You want to use this external. This is not for internal use. Can you hear it? You see it in my hand. It's similar to a bullet. It's our bullet style vibrator. And this one is called Kandi Kisses. It comes in pink and it also comes in black.
What do you think is the advantage of having such a small, cute, compact, discreet?
You get through TSA with it. If your children find it, give mommy her lipstick. It's just discreet. You can take it. You can use it while you're driving. You can take it to work on your lunch break. It's not as big as some of our other toys, so it's very discreet. It has a nice little case fitting with it, and it's just perfect to travel with.
Okay. All right. That's pretty cute. Shonte, what do you got?
Not
it's
as
not a
cute as
lipstick, is that like a dick stick?
not as cute as lipstick, but
Shonte, Michael Blackson has a comment.
oh, what'd you say?
No, I'm saying so. It's not a lipstick. It's like a dick stick, right?
A dick, I like it. A dick stick. Yes.
Dick stick.
Dick stick. Yes.
Like that too. Dick stick.
And it's also waterproof, so you can use it in the shower.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Show the dick stick before we move on. Okay.
All right.
What do we have next, Shonte?
Okay. Well, it's not a dick stick, but we do have this one is called the fan favorite. And I wanted to show this one because I kind of wanted to touch on the ladies that don't, or like, I don't really know. So this is a great beginner toy. And like Tishima said, it's kind of bullet style. So I don't know if you can see, but it looks like this. This one, as you can see with the cord, it does not operate with USB. So you actually need 2 AAA batteries for this one. But it is bath friendly. So shower, bath. This one can actually be submerged underwater for, I believe it's up to 30 minutes.
Oh, wow.
Yes. So you just turn it on. I can get it. Come on. There we go. And if you can see in my hand, I don't know if I'm up enough. It'll just kind of move and do its thing.
Okay.
And great with this one as well. With it being so small, kind of touching on Tishima, that in between work, drive, depending if you're in a big city, stuck in traffic, got a little moment, little remote control, put it by your side. Got this then.
Okay, y'all. So Valentine's Day is coming up soon. So for everyone watching or who will be watching, as JJ said, yes, these are so small and discreet. You can use them while you're driving. So if you have a day at work, a long day at work, or you're feeling stressed and overwhelmed and you
Stuck in traffic.
stuck in traffic, stress reliever.
So you can't text while driving, but you could definitely fuck yourself, right?
Possible.
Well, see, texting requires you to look down and try to text. This bad boy, you just hit the little button and let it do what it
Oh,
does.
so you leave it in, so it's already inside? I don't,
No, it's actually for the clitoral. It's not you don't insert.
oh.
And so the other benefit is that one is waterproof. So if it's waterproof, some women have difficulty if they're trying to make love or being intimate in the tub or the shower or in the pool. That may help with stimulating the clitoris so they're able to achieve natural lubrication. That may help in that endeavor. So that is a good thing. Yeah, Reese Dagan said rush hour. It would definitely come in handy.
Right.
All right. So, Mike, have you seen anything you plan to buy or you want to cop for Valentine's Day?
I mean, maybe a lubrication. I mean, it's always good to have that extra. And then, I mean, I'm not, I mean, if my lady is not around me, you know, we are apart from each other for a few days, maybe she could buy the little dipstick, dick penis, thick lipstick, the dick lipstick.
Dick stick.
Yeah, dick stick. I mean, out of that, the mouse thing, I mean, I would hate for her to be in a car and get pulled over by the cops and then she's shaking, you know, so. And the police like, what's going on? And she's like, But it means a little, you can never go wrong lubrication and maybe the little, so the mouse thing is for the clitoris, right?
They're both for the
Oh, for real? The pink, so the dick stick, you can't, well, yeah, you can't go that far, I guess. Yeah, so those are both for the clitoris?
For external.
And the mouse one was kind of big, though. Damn, that's a big ass mouse.
Mouse.
That's what I call it.
A mouse.
Oh, all righty, ladies. So, Shonte, do you have another toy for us?
That's it for my toys. The only other thing I wanted to discuss that I thought was very important, since we were touching on toys, is having a cleaner for your toys. So I just brought this is our cleaning mess. Yes, so that is very, very important with no matter which toy you get, you want to clean it. Some people think, oh, just run it underwater, oh, just run the soap. With this, you have to think about bacteria, mold, mildew, I mean everything. So a little bottle of this is cheaper than a copay to your gynecologist. So you definitely want to make sure that you have a good cleaner and a toy tote. So these kind of go hand in hand. That's my last thing. Like I said, that's important. So after you clean it, you've got a safe bag that you can put your toys in. It's lint free, lint free, because you don't want to have your toys and some bags you pull it out, you ready to do it again, it's got lint, now you got to clean it again. This, no worries with that. So if you can, just have a little toy tote after you clean, and that's it.
I like it, and it's cute. The bag. And so again, Dog says, he can wash his dolls. He washes his dolls. I hope so.
I hope so too.
Yeah, nothing cleans itself, including us. We don't clean. We gotta clean ourselves. So obviously, yes, clean your doll, Jay, and yes, keep your toys sanitized, people, because that is how you can get recurrent infections, yeast infections, bacterial infections, all of those things. Thank you, J Doll, for that. Okay. Oh, she got that wop wash.
What wash?
All right. Kandi, Bedroom Kandi.
Yes, ma'am. So the final toy that I want to present
I'm
is
waiting for this one. I'm excited
this
about
is the womanizer, BKA, the soul snatcher. Okay.
Oh,
And though it be very small, this will get the job done 5 minutes or less. Guaranteed. Okay. So what it is for the clitoris. So if you see this little hole right here, right? Every woman should know what her clitoris is. And our clitoris is the only organ in our body that's made for stimulation. That's the only reason we have a clitoris. So this is going to go onto your, and you're going to insert your clitoris, the soul snatcher. You're going to cut it on. And I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to try to put it as close as I can. Where we at? Right there. And it has a little, can you see it? Where we at? Right here. It has a little,
yeah. Hole
where
or
it's
something?
kind of sucking, a little suction thingy where it's sucking. It's going to suck on the clitoris as if it were your male partner or female partner. Okay,
Wow.
yeah. And so you can turn it up. You hear it?
I hear it a little bit.
And
Yeah.
this one in particular has 4 intensity levels. I've never made it to the 4th one. This one is guaranteed 5 minutes or less.
Guaranteed 5 minutes or less.
Yes. And it has pleasure air technology to stimulate air and suction. This one is also waterproof and compact.
Waterproof.
Yes. So if you stick your finger in there, you'll feel it kind of nibbling, like a little nibbler.
Is there a money back guarantee if it doesn't snatch your soul in 5 minutes or less? I'm asking for a friend.
Yeah. Listen, that is, and then this is the Starlink 2. We have the Pro also. When that one has, I think it's 7 intensity levels. But this one is a good starter. You'll want to start off with the Pro. Got to graduate to that.
Wow. You got to
Is
graduate.
it battery operated? What is it?
This one is comes with a charger as well, the USB charger. No batteries needed.
Gotcha.
The Soul Snatcher.
Wow. So out of curiosity, because people are asking in the comments, how much is that soul snatcher?
This one is, give me 1 second, hold on. The Soul Snatcher is $79. And the Womanizer Pro, that one is $129. That's the one, the upgrade to this one. But this one is $79. Quit being a wimp. Go to level 4. Be paralyzed on one side. Stuck. Yes.
That's pretty funny.
Yes.
Okay.
And this one is not on my website, so you'd have to contact me directly for this one. This one is not on the website. This one has to be purchased through a consultant, Bedroom Kandi consultant like myself. Just an FYI.
Nice. Okay. So let's start first with your contact information, Bedroom Kandi. Let's put up your banner.
Yes.
So someone said go for it. Go for level 5.
Oh. I'll stick with 2.
You'll stick with 2?
2, yeah. Some people can say, no.
Well, okay. So folks, if you want to.
So you turn up coochie snatcher, right?
that part.
All right. So guys, contact Tishima at bedroomkandi.com. That's Kandi with a K. And her IG is at BK Parties by Tishima. And her Facebook is Bedroom Kandi. All righty. So we are wrapping it up, guys. Dr. Blackson, I'm glad you were able to come on
Yeah.
and partake in this.
Did we at least change your mind a little bit? Just a
I mean, no. I mean, some stuff, you know. I mean, I got scared first. I had to pick the fucking dick choke turtleneck you scared me with earlier. The dick turtleneck. Or
that was for
it look like
demonstration
a busted
purposes
condom, man. When
only.
the condom busts and your head is still up there. But
Oh,
it is what it is. But I'm down with like no lubrication, and I'm okay with a woman, you know, entertaining herself and all of that stuff. You know, me personally, I stopped jerking off, but now I don't do as much as I used to when I was younger. You know, I just feel like I just prefer the real thing. That's it.
got it. So, guys,
Yeah.
Pure Romance, here's her information. Hit her up, follow her pages, follow her on Facebook and IG, and the same with Miss Tishima.
Yes.
Well, Dr. Blackson, I know you have got to do. Thank you for coming on with us.
Thank
It was a
you.
pleasure. Thank you, ladies.
Yes,
Thank
thank
you.
you, and thank you, Dr. Delvena, for the invite.
Thank
Yes.
you for inviting me.
Yes, you are so welcome. And ladies, what I would like to do is, let's see, Tishima, I will take 5 of the soul snatchers. I want to gift some ladies some gifts before Valentine's Day. So I think I want to try 5 of the soul snatchers.
All right.
And Shonte, I think I want 2 of those. What is it called at the beginning? Those
Was it
things.
the opening net or which one? Get a grip?
Get a grip. Yeah. Yeah. 2 of the get a grips. And wait, I'll finalize my order. I'll email you guys or text you.
Okay.
That'll work.
Check in with some of my associates and see what they're curious about. Their friend may want to, you know, may have an interest in something. So yeah, I will finalize my orders with you guys. Thank you so much for coming on and being
Thank you for the invite. This was awesome.
It was so much fun. It was so much fun. And look, Tashima, I didn't want to take your shine, boo, because I do not have the product. But if you don't have enough of the womanizer, I do have womanizer too.
Okay.
Pure romance. So that's soul
I think we
snatches.
got it covered.
Look, between the two of us, I think we good. Same price and everything. So
Okay.
Okay. Very nice. So yeah, I'll have to have a conversation with you guys so I can make my final decision on what I would like. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yes.
That'll work.
So very grateful. So guys, if you have any questions or if you want to hit up either of the ladies, if you give your information one more time and then following Tishima, there we go.
Yes.
There's some magic hands in the background helping us out. So BK Parties by Tishima, guys. And if you want to host a virtual sex party or if you want to have a sex party in your home for a small group during COVID-19, it would be the thing to do right now, especially a lot of people are laid up alone by themselves. So we're talking about using sex toys to overcome some physical limitations. However, during COVID-19, sex toys might also come in very, very handy.
Handy.
Just saying.
Handy.
yes,
Handy.
yes.
See the contact information for Miss Shonte at Pure Romance, please. And to everyone who joined us during the show that you stayed with us all the way through, I appreciate you. I appreciate you following me. Thank you so much for joining me on Therapy Thursdays. Next Thursday is the Thursday before my 45th birthday. So I will be on next Thursday.
You
So,
won't be on?
no, this is a little small prelude celebration to my 45th, I guess. Yeah,
But
I will
happy
not
birthday.
be
Happy
back.
early.
Thank you, Queen.
Yes.
Thank you, both of you guys.
Thank
so before
you.
we go, let's hear you guys say brain love.
Brain love.
Love.